Welcome once again to Canva class by Spingy Design. Uh, now I've introduced you all to the Canva environment. So now the first thing we are going to do is how to edit templates. It has various templates, free and the one that you can purchase, but even the free ones are even good enough compared to you even purchasing. Except you are doing a very professional work. That's when I can advise that you should purchase. Now you can pick a template that suits what we want to do and edit. So while I'm doing this, it will show you an overview of how you can navigate through the environment, how you can work, how you can manipulate the tools inside. So let's start. Which one should I choose? Okay, now let's say I want to edit this Instagram post because I want to post something with a lady inside of it, and information about the lady also. So now I'll click on it to edit. Then the Canva work environment will display. Now I have text that are written there. I have images. I have several objects that are written there already. So for example, let's say I want to change this text. Now all I need to do is to double click on the text and delete. So let's just say, check out the most beautiful girl in Nigeria. Check out when you are designing, you have to be careful of the content that you are putting. It shouldn't be too much, so that everything will not be choking. So check out the first lady. So before you design, you need to have a concept in your head of what you are looking for. Now if I don't like the font, that is the style of this text, all I would need to do is go down. While I've selected it, it's already highlighted. Come here to pick font, several font that I want to pick. There's some font there that you have to pay for. Those ones that has crown means you have to pay for them. So then you have to pick a font that would probably depict what you are doing. Although I don't have time because the recording might increase in size, the file size of what I'm recording. So let me just do this. Now I can just put something like Spingy News Press here. Spingy News, yeah. Then I'm good. Just click on anywhere inside the environment, Spingy News. Now look at this object. Probably I want only this other side to show. I want to take it to the back of the picture. Maybe it's covering what I want to do. I can easily move it. I can increase it. When you want to increase, just click on any of the nodes and drag. I can increase it. Although I've already sent a PDF write-up that I compiled that will give you a full overview of how to work in this environment. So all you have to do is just to read it. Now let's say I want to send this to back, or at first let's say I want to do transparency, so I can any elements, I can do the transparency here. Then if I want to send to back, all I need to do is at the top hand side, you click on that three dots on the top right hand side. Then you have another option. You have this, you have the other one. There's a sign, an arrow going down, there's another arrow going up, the arrow inside the circle. So if I want to go to the back, I'll click on the arrow going down. Then if I want it to come forward, click on the arrow coming forward. Then transparency, then if I want to crop it, I already have the cropping tool there already. Then let's say I made a mistake and I want to go back, I can undo here. Now this picture now is not the picture of the person I want to talk about. So once I click on the object carrying the picture, all I will need to do is all I'm going to do is select the picture, then pick the corresponding picture I want to use, like this. Now if I want to move the picture inside of it, all I need to do is just triple click. So when I triple click, then I can now drag the picture, to show the way I want it to show. Then once I'm through, click on the OK button at the top, which is like the mark button at the top. And if I'm through with what I'm doing, I can add additional elements by clicking on this sign here. Just look at the arrow, look at the pointer, this sign here, the plus sign by the right hand side. Then I can add text, I can add image, I can add video, I can add sticker, illustration, whatever I want to add. So when you're practicing, you can try all those things out. Let's say I want to add another page of templates. I can add that, but I'm not adding any page of template. So you can just try all those things out. Let me remove this. So this is a new page. Yeah, let me remove it. Just click on the delete. It's very, very easy to use. It's direct. So now when you want to save, all you need to do is click on this arrow button here to save. Click on the arrow button to save. Click on the arrow button to save. Click on the arrow button to save. Just click here. Automatically it has saved your work. Automatically it has saved your work. There are other options here. If you want to pick a particular name, then save as PNG or save as JPEG, whatever you want to do, you can do that. But you have to pay before you can do transparent background anyway. You have to pay. So that's that for working with template version of Canva. That's that for that.